sebayagoqa makulelo labatele yona bakayithola. Wathi no. Yani najule. Uma uNkulunkulu ufike emphakathi kwethu kunalabanye sebayagoqa emshadweni yakho. Ngoba lelo bayifuna bakayithola. Ukhona lo Yesu kama ngishiyele ndoda soyagoqa. Ngoba lelo bakayifuna bakayithola. Live la uNkulunkulu lithi, yehlela jule. Ikhona lelo bayifunako la kulomuntu. Abasonzelene namkhwenyane labahlobene namkhwenyane labakhonza namkhwenyane namakoti ngokunjalo bomakhelwane bakhe ihlobo takhe tonke nabadala babo uma bakhona emkhathini wethu bikelelo ngimtholisi ligama Sibongo makaNkosi haleluya. Ephileni kwami konke kunanayi into lekuhamba ngiyiva abantu bayikhuluma athi umuntu mina ngaprofeti wangisesesiswini samakwami ukuthi ngidoba ngifundise. Now ngase ngiba nenhlanhla ukuthi mina ngizale ngaprofeta ngancuma kuba ingcebo yaNkulunkulu. Ngoba uma ngabe bekusiprofeto uma ngimela ngabe ngimele ukuthi ngifeza siprofeto. Manje njengoba ungibona ngimelana ngendiwa amandla esinqumo lengasele. Haleluya bazalwane. Uma ubona ibandla lengihamba nalo ubona abafundisi lengikhothama ngaphansi kwabo ukhona ukubona ukuthi amandla esinqumo empilweni yomuntu angakanani. And namhlanje into lelethela ngeke ngiyabona nokuhle akusingibo but ngilethungu lesinqumo ngoba mina nawe into liyasihlanganisa sinqumo. Nikhona bazalwane ukufuna ukubona ukuthi esinqumeni kunokuphila. Lesinye isikhathi kunquma indoda ubuke abantu abayo ubona ukuthi lesinqumo lesenqomo lendoda siyaphila nokubuka abantu abakhe ngoba sinkulumo sinemandla. Enenena noma kanqumi kuyenda singalokusikelelisa but nawe ufuna ngeke usiyekele ngoba awubakanqumi. Namhlanje silethwe nje isinqumo kuhlala konke eceleni kolosisi lokuhle kangaka mandla esinqumo mhlawumbe lahla isinqumo sakho sihlangana nawe endleleni ngeke uphinzule so. Ngifuna ukusho amagama lamancane Bishop ngihlonipho yena kabili nabamkhonza wake kwabakhona lenye indoda in less than 5 minutes your election pass. La madoda bewabili ahlala kulenye i-village. Le village lama village ahlukaniswa inzaba ingasemuva. Kwaba nenkinga yesomiso lesikhulu kulendzawo bahlala kuyo. Uma la madoda ahlela cabanga ingqondo yawo yathi no. Lelenye ihlala ngale lenye ihlala esouth lenye ihlala north. Ithi lene se-south no. Angithathe iveni yami. Ngabe ngiyofuna amandi lapha kulenzaba ngoba lenzaba ngiyeva ukuthi bathi khipha amandi la mnanzi. Uyahamba uyenzabeni uya nawo uyawanatha ekhaya kuba mnanzi uyagcina uyajwayela so walanza ke kuningi so uyathengisa i-village yakhe seyiyathi ukuthi lapha kaNkosi ithengiswa amandi but ukuze la mandi abe khona bewadependa ukuthi le ndoda afuna istart isikhiya ihambe iyenzabeni iyowalanza. Sometime le ndoda lenye lengala eSouth ihleli phansi iyacabanga ithi nami i-village yami inenkinga yemandi. Iyahamba iyoconnecta a system that will bring water from the mountain iwalethe la ekhaya ayisayibona ngowalanza ifaka i-system that will bring water. Ngalamanye amagama le ndoda kucabanga kwayo wayenda yathuma inzaba ukuthi wena nzaba ngilethele manzi lapha ekhaya lokho ufuna suka ekhaya ayakulanza mani. Kwafika isikhathi sokukhula nesokuguga nesokugula kwatholakala ukuthi le ndoda leli khona kuphila ngokuyelanza amandi ukugula sekuhlasele ayisakhoni impilo yakhe yaguquka kwaba mazazathi akaze kube nebusiness la ekhaya lokho uthe noma sekagula noma sekangaseko afile kwatholakala ukuthi le system iyaqhubeka iyondla nebantwana ngoba the system was more powerful. The system was not depending in his ability, but the system would bring water even if he cannot be able to do that anymore. In 5 minutes, was to create a system. Never was around. A system loyo wenda ukuthi bantu abami noma sengugugile sengingasakhoni kodwa impilo ile solo ifana ngathi ngiyakhona ukuba ngisakhona because the system of God about marriage was not something lelofuna ihambe nami uma ngikhona, but it is something that must take care of me even when I cannot, only if I am honest emshadweni kaNkulunkulu. Now Satan uyafika uyangena ensimini yase-Eden ude temperature the system of God. Nakafika umuntu alenyeligama ukuthi akakasho yini. Ungazomufata akakasho yini yathi ukuthi they are here to temper the system. Now every time sishathisa abantu ngaphansi kwama systems like two. Kunabantu labashada ku system yaNkulunkulu, kunabantu labashada ngaphansi kwe system that is tempered. Sikhona bazalwane bantu labashada ngaphansi kwe system that is tempered, Bishop. But we depend on the ability of you. Lekathi usesemusha usakhona ukuthi chuna, usakhona kuba nemali, umuntu ubona ngathi ufanele ukuthi angashada, mhla songasakhoni bese abona ngathi angasala deka afunela abanye labangcono. Sizathu the system is tempered. Ngithatha umnamo noma akayifaki weave. I don't mean weave is wrong. Ngithatha umnamo akayifaki weave. Ngithatha umnamo noma goke wazitha waba principle babonakala ukuthi Mrs. Inkosi bona binentini lokiveta ebaleni artificially. I still see a beautiful wife in my wife, but the only time the system is tempered ufuna azahlalise abanye baphathi ebaleni uzibona ngathi muhle. Tempered system. I belong to the system that is not tempered. The former system kaNkulunkulu lathi lomthathabo abe muhle namuhla hlela eceleni lenika makonke kuyoyekela but uthando lwambuye lwemesolo libambile. Because I belong to the system that is not tempered. Umoya kaNkulunkulu kimi ukuthi mhlambe la ikhathi kwethu njengoba motivator bakhona labanye labayi-victim the system le temperishiwe awusadi ukuthi ufuna wente ini ugoke konke kwaba mahil wehla uhambe wayekujima wathukuyisa umtimba mara solo impilo isimnanzi ekhaya qaphela system. System le temperishiwe ithanda ngoba, but the system which is not tempered ithanda noma. I remain a husband to my wife because the system is not tempered. I am still a lawfully wedded husband because the system is not tempered. Mfuna kulimema bazalwane uma umshado wethu umshado wakho utodependa ukuthi ungakubuka kanjani. Mfuna kukuthembisa ukuthi namuhla after 10 years angeke abe ngalendlela muhle kakhona. But ipurpose ye-system kaNkulunkulu ukuthi I remain a beautiful wife to you noma sekukhona into lahleka khona. Impilo ngalenye indlela lesesathi niya-celebrate nijabulele ukuthi nithenge imoto ihambe yonishaya lo munye uyeseka amanani nyawo. But the system of God bazalwane, this is my wife without the leg. Ngiyomthwala sekangasakhoni kabayo. Mlethe lo phela as a motivation because lesikhathi angeke ngikukhuthaze ngendlela leyo ukuthi halala ngifuna ukuchallenge man ngifuna ukuchallenge ukuthi na ungene ngifuna ukugcinakala amagama lathi kunale inkinga leseba khona bishop kulezi insuku uma uya eKFC uyothenga ukudla nzamba ye drive through unokuthi nawufika lapha ku drive through uthola ukuthi labanye abantu bayangena la drive through ngoba bajajhelisa ngeligama lelithi drive through but aba understand ukuthi I drive through uma songene noma lento lokho uyifuna awusayitholi awujiki I drive through uma songene noma ufuna ama wings emva kwakho kule traffic phambi kwakho kule traffic bese lapho bathi ama wings aphelile. You need to wait until kuze kufike isikhathi sakho sokuphuma noma lento uyifuna itholile noma bakayithole asimuwe asimule KFC ngile system ye drive through injalo ithi la akujikwa ungena ku drive through na mama noma lenyela ubona ini akujikwa My systems are not children to umgako, not in the Nagamanato, Funamunye. But the system of God is in Nagamanayo, when you are there, Mileno de Funayena, a shocking order. That is why Bambino was my life partner. She completes me. Lam shota for them complete. Let us show one say, in a tribal, in a completer, which is a wife, and a completed, which is Adam, and the creator, it's 3 C's. Go on and give me what's in the system that temporary shield. Young Bukula no completable. I take advantage of what's couldn't do the shooter, say Abakui, that's Yamba and the Inchon Kulukulumai was to complete you. When you are weak, she must be your strength. When she is weak, you must be her strength. As it she, say we drive through. Minutes. 7. Chapter 2. In principle. Let's see. If we are the carers of the net. Shotsitsina uma sifika ogwini bishop asidobi ngedobi sidoba ngelinetha linetha libamba konke 1 linetha alidobi la kunefish letincane lidoba la kunefish letiningi nikhona bazalwane now uthine into labalekile i1 we need to know ukuthi uma sibambe lidobi kona labantu abasi-interact lithi iBhayibheli kwaze kwafika Jesu wathola uSimon seba frustrated wafika wathi no sebayagonga amalelo lebatele yona bakayitholi wathi no yanina July umoya kaNkulunkulu ufike emphakathi kwethu kunalabanye sebayagonga emshadweni yabo ngoba lelo bayifuna bakayitholi ukhona lo Yesu kama ngishiya lendoda soyagonga ngoba lelo bakayifuna bakayitholi live la Nkulunkulu lithi yahlela July ikhona lento leyifunako la kulomuntu yahlala ejuleni lento ndophuma nayo yakela ukuthi usiyifuna estradini ikhona la yahlala ejuleni yahlala ejuleni kunkosikazi yakho cela Nkulunkulu abusise ngokusho mina in Jesus name.